Hi, let's talk about PASG Bio. It's a genetic medicines company that develops transformative therapies for rare monogenetic central nervous systems, as known as CNS diseases. And the market cap is quite big for the company that have zero revenue based on simple safe dividends. So 835 million. The simple Wall Street finds a lot of risks. Earnings are forecasted to decline by an average of 7% per year for the next 3 years. I think that's of the research that they have currently. Currently, the company is unprofitable, not forecasted to become profitable over the next 3 years. So it might be good for the long-term investors. Volatile share price over the past 3 months. Shareholders have been dotted in the past year. Usually I check from the BioPharma catalyst, the upcoming catalyst, or the drug pipeline that they have. So this is pre-clinical stage so far, biotech pharmaceutical. So it has there's the catalyst that they have. So there's three products so far, and latest news we see here 1st of June. The Daryl D. Porter elected to board of directors of PASG Bio. So I think this is pretty raw currently, based on that it's on a phase, based on its first phase. So it's pretty raw so far, but it has of course potential if it goes right and they got the FDA approval and they start a sale, or they are going to sell like a whole company. So if somebody acquires the company, that would be turn out with the good returns for the shareholders. Latest share price, so there was some of the declining from the January. It has $30 per share. So if we look, for example, here at highest point, yeah, 30.87. Then it decreased, like short term. This is looking decreasing. The volumes are getting higher than back in the general 22nd, and currently I see the volumes are getting once up again. But anyway, the market performance shows that 1-year return is minus 40%. Of course, not beating the industry, neither the market. Long-term price volatility considered as lowest, but there is no 5-year volatility data. So they had IPO last year's February. And let's have a look at the valuation side. Simple Wall Street does not have any price targets, but TipRank shows that 27 is current and 12-month forecast $29 per share. So it has currently 73% upside. And if we open up Market Watch, it shows us stock price target at highest point $32 per share, lowest 25, an average of $27.86 per share. So it's pretty good with the potential, but anyway, anything could happen because they are, like usually biotech companies, they're not taking debt, they're just printing shares out to finance their research on the products. So shares outstanding keep significantly increasing, like through the years. We see here 2019 4 million of shares, 4.2, and currently 47. So if you were holding this company with 10% sharehold, nowadays you are owning only 1% of it, decreased by 10 times. Future growth, forecasted annual earning growth, yeah, like I said, it decreased So there you see here earnings. Earnings are melting the sum. So we will see in financial health side about the cash level and so on. Earnings per share growth forecasted, as you can see, on the negative side, and not even in the end of 2023. Past performance, last year earning growth decreased by 140%. This is unprofitable company. Financial health. Yeah, like I said, they have no debt, but yeah, actually they have money to a lot of money, 437 million. So this is kind of good news, but anyway, that's mostly of they're raising by printing the shares out. That might be as well affecting on the share price negativity. So yeah, balance sheet looks green. They have cash, like I said, 437 million, long-term assets and other assets 21 million, physical assets 6 million, equity 441 million, other liabilities 17, and accounts payable 6 million. Dividend side, of course, they're not paying dividends. It's a growth company that focuses on growth and development and products. Ownership breakdown. Here's the interesting, not a significant of amount of money, but recently the insider transactions we see May was 2 individuals that have been buying the stock. Max price $13 per share. So if we look at the May, what was the date? 21st of May this year, 13.60. Yeah, they are currently 13% up. There been better opportunities? Yes, actually. Last year's March would be 244%. Wow, this actually nice returns there. Ownership breakdown, institutions holding mostly 53%, VC peer firms 31, private companies less than 10, insiders 3, general public less than 3. Top shareholders, we see only one individual and one company. Viable capital decreased by less than 5%. Mostly they are all are adding. BlackRock added 35%, FMR 53% added, Vanguard Group 37%. So both biggest players are here as well. And yeah, this is mostly like short term. This is downtrending, but I think long term it has some of the potential if we see here some of the updates that this is moving forward. Anyway, like I said, shares outstanding keep increasing and they have no sales currently. And investing.com, summary the stock for long-term investors as a strong sell. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in a future one.